Hi mini chefs! On this episode, we're mixing up different foods to create something brand new. We get a special visit from our friends Sonshine and Broccoli, and we all sing a fun song together. Okay, let's get cooking.
Bisous, Chef Bisous.
Hi mini chefs, I'm Chef Bisous. I'm so happy to welcome you back to my magical kitchen. Today we're going to be learning about mixing it up and trying foods. Magic Micro, what's the main ingredient in our recipe today? Broccoli. Today we're going to...
Hold on a second, Chef Bisous.
Oh, hi Sous Chef Encore.
Did you say broccoli?
Yes, I did.
Ah, I thought you did. The last time I tried eating broccoli, it left a bad taste in my mouth.
It's funny you say that, because today we're going to be learning about mixing it up and trying new foods.
But broccoli isn't new. I've had it before, Chef Bisous, and I don't think I want to try it again.
This is a tricky situation. Maybe I can get help from friends who know about broccoli and trying new things. Magic Micro, do you know who could help me?
Try something new for the first time.
Look, it's our friends, Sonshine and Broccoli.
Keep on trucking on your way, 'cause today's a brand
Hi
new...
Sonshine, hi Broccoli.
Who said that?
Oh, hi, Chef Bisous. We didn't see you there.
I'm sorry to interrupt your song.
No problem at all. We were just practicing. What are you up to today?
Well, I was just telling my mini chefs how we'll be cooking with broccoli.
Yum! Broccoli is the best.
I agree, but we have a problem. Not everyone likes to eat the same things. Sous Chef Encore isn't sure about eating broccoli.
It's good for us, though.
Even if something is good for us, some people might not like the taste, or the smell, or the way certain foods feel.
How can we help, Chef Bisous?
Yeah, is there anything we can do?
Well, today, my mini chefs and I are learning to mix it up and try new things. Broccoli, would you mind joining me in the kitchen to help me put together a broccoli dish that Sous Chef Encore might want to try?
I would love to, but how do I get to the kitchen?
Magic Micro, work your magic.
Whoa!
Whoa, that was so cool. I can't wait to see what you two put together.
Thanks, Sunshine. We'll catch up with you later.
Bye.
Welcome to my kitchen, Broccoli. Wait a second, I think you're missing something. Magic Micro.
Oh, neat! So, what are we making today, Chef Bisous?
How can we mix up broccoli? What about some broccoli cheddar bites?
Yum, that sounds delicious.
Magic Micro, which ingredients will we need for this recipe? We'll need broccoli, shredded cheddar cheese, breadcrumbs, eggs, onion powder, salt, and pepper. We'll also need a big mixing bowl, a spoon, and a lined baking sheet. Since we're going to be handling food, we should probably wash our hands. Broccoli, would you like to join me at the sink where we can sing our hand washing song?
Of course.
Turn on the tap, let's start the flow. Splishy, splashy water, ready, set, go. Squirt out some soap, just a little bit. Rub your hands together, make some bubbles with it. Scrub-a-dub-dub, it's our hand washing song. Healthy and clean all day long. Now dry those hands. Ready to cook?
Let's do it.
Magic Micro, what's our first ingredient? Broccoli. We'll need to chop this up nice and small. Hey, broccoli is your specialty. Do you think you could maybe handle this?
Yes, Chef.
That's our safety chime, Broccoli. Magic Micro is reminding us that we need to be very careful when chopping broccoli because knives are very sharp. Mini chefs make sure a grown-up handles this part of the recipe.
Thanks for the reminder, Magic Micro. Chef Bisous, did you know that broccoli gives you superpowers?
It does?
superheroes stay strong with their powers, and you can too with healthy foods like broccoli. It's your power source to run faster, jump higher, fight germs, and keep your brain sharp so you can be the best, just like a superhero.
So when you're eating broccoli, you're really just fueling up to be the best superhero you can be.
You got it.
Wow, okay. Magic Micro, what's the next ingredient in our recipe? Shredded cheese. Let's go ahead and dump this shredded cheese into our bowl.
Done. What do we add next, Magic Micro? Breadcrumbs.
Panko style. And our next ingredient?
3 eggs. May I do the honors?
Of course. 1, 2, and 3. We'll want to give those a quick mix before pouring them into the mixture. Stir and mix, stir and mix, stir and mix.
You said Sous Chef Encore isn't sure about trying the dish because it has broccoli, but do you think by adding cheese and eggs, it will make him more excited about it?
Yes, adding different ingredients can change the taste and texture, and that might make someone want to try things that they didn't like in the past. Another fun way to mix it up is by dipping the food in ranch or hummus. You could also add your favorite toppings like Parmesan cheese or sesame seeds, which I call white sprinkles.
Those are all great ideas.
Magic Micro, which spices should we add to our mixing bowl? Onion powder, salt, and pepper.
I'll add the onion powder.
And I'll add the salt and pepper. Okay, Broccoli, it's time to give this another good mix. Stir and mix, stir and mix, stir and mix.
Yum, yummy, yum. Broccoli cheddar bites. So, we've got the broccoli and we have the cheddar cheese, but these don't look bite-sized.
Not yet, we have to roll them. But before we do, let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's our safety chime again. Magic Micro is reminding us that ovens can be very hot. So we'll want to make sure we have a grown-up with us when we're using one. Okay, Broccoli, let's do it.
These look so good, Chef Bisous, and it seems like our oven is ready to go.
Let's pop them in. Sous Chef Encore's back.
Hi, Chef Bisous. Oh, and hello to you too, Broccoli. What are you doing in Chef Bisous' kitchen?
Hi, Sous Chef Encore. Chef Bisous and I have been making broccoli cheddar bites.
I'm still not so sure about eating something with broccoli in it.
I hear you and I understand how you're feeling, Sous Chef Encore. Mixing it up can make foods that you didn't like before taste really yummy. You can try dipping it, or adding different toppings, or even mixing it with foods that you love, like we did here today with our broccoli cheddar bites.
Oh, I never thought about it that way. Maybe I should give those broccoli cheddar bites a try.
We would love that, but they're not quite ready yet. They need a little more time to cook in the oven. Why don't we all sing a song together about mixing it up and trying new things while we wait?
That sounds like so much fun.
Hey, Sonshine can join us too.
That's a great idea, Broccoli. Magic Micro, work your magic.
Do you like broccoli?
No, it smells funky.
Have you tried dipping it in ranch?
Ooh, I should give that a chance. And do you like Brussels sprouts?
They're bitter, so I have my doubts. Have you tried it with some cheese? Ooh, it could be good for me.
You never know, so let's give it a go. Mix it up and give it a try.
You might be surprised, oh my.
Mix it up and then decide.
You might be surprised to find.
You never know till you give it a go.
Do you like spinach greens?
No, they don't look good to me.
Have you put them in a smoothie?
Ooh, that would be groovy.
And do you like tomatoes?
Too squishy, so we say no.
Oh no!
Have you tried them as a salsa dip? Ooh, that's a tasty tip.
You never know, so let's give it a go. Mix it up and give it a try.
You might be surprised, oh my.
Mix it up and then decide.
You might be surprised to find.
A tasty treat. It looks like something I'd like to eat. Yum, yummy, yum. I love the way it adds to the fun. Ooh, something new. I tried something new for the very first time. Mix it up and give it a try.
You might be surprised, oh my.
Mix it up and give it a try.
You might be surprised, oh my.
Mix it up and give it a try.
You might be surprised, oh my.
You never know till you give it a go.
What a great song!
Yeah, trying new things can be exciting. Adding dips and sprinkles of cheese or mixing them with foods you already love can make something you didn't like before taste great.
It sounds like our broccoli cheddar bites are ready.
I can't wait to give them a try.
Thank you again, Sonshine and Broccoli, for all of your help today. It was so nice to see you both.
Anytime, Chef Bisous and Sous Chef Encore.
Magic Micro, can you please send Chef Bisous and me back to the kitchen?
Oh. Thanks, Magic Micro. Bye, Sonshine and Broccoli. Time to take these yummy cheddar broccoli bites out of the oven.
These smell different than how broccoli usually smells.
That's because we mixed it up.
Well, let's give them a try.
Oh, hold on. Would you mind maybe helping me tidy up? Because we need to wait for them to cool down.
Of course.
Tidy, 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 everyone should clean. Tidy, 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 part of the routine. Tidy, 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 put your things away. Tidy, 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 for another day.
Thank you for joining us today to learn about the importance of mixing it up and trying foods. As always, a yummy dish deserves a chef's kiss.
Wow, these are so yummy. I love broccoli.
Bye, mini chefs. We can't wait to learn and cook with you again.
Chef Bisous.
Hey grown-ups, like and subscribe and head over to our website, chefbisous.com, for free activities, recipes, music, and more for your mini chefs. Thanks for watching.